Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We all know the importance of CHEMDRAW. It is very much useful for drawing the chemical structures and the chemical equations. So as far as the manuscripts are concerned, or research articles, review articles are concerned, each and every journal is going to follow certain rules and regulations, right? So if you see some of the examples, here is one of the example, figure 2, synthetic carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. If you see the figure 2, we have different structures. All the structures have been drawn by using the CHEMDRAW only. How beautifully the authors have drawn. So try to learn how to draw these kind of chemical structures using the CHEMDRAW. Let's discuss. Here are three structures. I'm going to try to explain you how can we draw these structures. Take the first one. If you see this particular molecule, here we are having benzene ring or not. So directly take benzene ring. See this benzene ring. So the benzene ring has two substitutions which are ortho to each other. One is OH group and another one is Br. So first one single bond, we need to place OH. So simply OH. Then at the ortho position, we need to have bromine. That's why take single bond here and put Br, bromine. Okay. Para position to OH group, we have some bigger group, right? So single bond, single bond. So take two single bond, in single bond. Now we need to have a double bond, double bond connected to nitrogen, again nitrogen connected to OH. So double bond connected to single bond, like this we need. Okay, put OH, then here we need nitrogen, again we need single bond, then C double bond O, C double bond O, next single bond, again single bond, single bond, then single bond. Here we have NH, type NH. So CH2, then single bond. Here we need to have sulfur, right? This is sulfur. Sulfur is connected to NH2. Sulfur initially connected to NH2. Then it is going to have two double bonds. One double bond and second double bond. So here it is oxygen and also oxygen. See, this is the molecule, right? So we have drawn this molecule. Now we need to check whether this particular molecule has been drawn in a correct way or not. For that purpose, what we are doing, we need to select the molecule first. Select the molecule directly. Then go to the structure menu and see the option clean up structure, and also check the structure. First we will check the structure. No errors found. It means whatever the elements we are having, each and every element valency has been satisfied. Carbon, bromine, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, different elements are there. So each and every element has the particular valency. If the valency is satisfied, then only the molecule structure is proper. So no error found means all elements valency has been satisfied. The second thing, go to the structure and give the cleanup structure. See, do you have some change after activating this? See this. So previously what happened? The double bond O and double bond O, these are in a straight manner. After putting structure and clean up structure, check it. Now the structure is exactly similar to the first one or not? So we have drawn the structure. Now we need to change the color. So select, go to the color and give the color which we have given. It is not like that, so we need to give another color, right? We need one box also, no? For that, here see this. From this we can take the box. This one. Take the box. To the box also we need the color, right? So again select, go to the color and select, go to the color and give the color. Okay. Now we need to write the molecule name. Simply go to the text tool and write whatever the name of the compound. PSAMMAPLIN space capital C within bracket 3. Okay. If you observe this one, it is in bold form or not? Here select the name and activate bold. Now it is bold. Then change the color, go to the color and activate color. See, so exactly we have drawn the structure. If you need the adjustments, you can do the adjustments, no issue. Accordingly, these are only technical things. Okay, so successfully we have drawn the first molecule, right? Now go to the second one. If you see the second one, 1 2 3 4 rings are connected. So starting from benzene, here we have benzene. So benzene is there. Next, one 6-membered ring is connected. No pi bonds inside the ring. That's why connect the cyclohexane. Here we have cyclohexane. Simply place the cyclohexane like this. See this? Again, we need one more cyclic ring, then followed by benzene. Give the benzene here. See this? Here it is a benzene ring. So give the benzene. Clear? So 3 rings are formed. Now we need to go for one more ring, right? That is going to be by using the single bond. Give the single bond here. Next single bond. From here connect. And here pi bond. Give the, see, by using the single bonds only we have created the fourth ring. So it is very simple, but whatever the change which you need, that can be initially should be in your mind. Okay, now put the oxygen here. See, here we have two types of things. Simply go and activate the text tool or point out here and double click. Automatically it will be accepted. Then put the letter, whatever the letter you need. Okay, next. Here we have two OH groups. 1 2, double click OH, double click OH. Here we need C double bond O, single bond, then double bond followed by oxygen. Here we need oxygen, double click and place oxygen. Here we have OH, here also OH, so double click OH, double click OH. Here we have one more oxygen. See, the molecule is appearing same or not? Then go to the structure, check the structure, no error found, means valency of each and every element has been satisfied, and click cleanup structure. Cleanup structure. If you do the cleanup, it will give another kind of structures dimensions. We can do that also if you need. See this, while you are clicking it is going to be changed. If you need the first one, you can put the first one only, no issue. Okay, give the color, then box from here and write the name by activating text tool. PUNICALAGIN number 4. Select it, bold, go to the color and give the color and adjust margins. Right, we need to give the color to the box also. So this is the second one which we have drawn successfully. If you want to increase the size of the box, you can increase accordingly. Right, select the box and adjust the structure accordingly. These are only normal things which we can done in a easy manner. Okay, so what is the last molecule? In the last molecule, if you see, the main moiety is what? One 6-membered ring connected to the 5-membered ring. So take cyclohexane, connected to the 5-membered, take the 5-membered ring. Okay, now we have nitrogen in the 6-membered ring. Simply activate nitrogen, then pi bond here, followed by that single bond, followed by that double bond O, then NH2. Double click NH2. Next one here it is OH. Here hydrogen, here also hydrogen. If you see these two hydrogens and OH, the OH group is above the plane, both hydrogens are below the plane. So accordingly we need to identify. So now this is the single line. Come here, see this. Above the plane we have wedged bond. Click the wedged bond and activate here. See this OH. Next one, both hydrogens are below the plane. See this hashed wedged bond for the below the plane. Simply put it here and here. Right, below the plane. Next, here we have two single bonds. Here is one single bond, here is another single bond. This single bond is connected to COOH group. So put the COOH group. C double bond O, OH. Next here we have NH group. Here it is NH. This NH is connected to a single bond. Then the single bond is connected to double bond O, then CH2, then it is connected to sulfur S. The sulfur is connected to NH2. Along with the NH2, sulfur has two double bonds. So this is one double bond O, this is another double bond O. This is the molecule which we have drawn. If we observe this NH, this is above the plane, COOH is below the plane. So simply above the plane here, activate, then go to the below plane, hashed wedged bond, select the molecule by using the MARQ, then go to the structure and check structure. No errors found, then clean up structure. So in the cleanup structure, you are going to get the molecule like this. We can clean up and we can rotate the structure also according to your well and wish. Otherwise, if you need the first one, you can follow the first one also, right? So in this way, we can draw the structures. You can rotate according to your need. You can fit the molecule. Simply rotate the molecule in this way. By doing the rotation, whatever the best thing is possible you can do in that way. Okay, so simply what you need to do, give the box and write the name. So write the name of the compound, ALTEMICIDIN within bracket 5. Control A and activate bold. Give the box in this way, select all, go to the color and activate the color. Other colors, which color is that? You need to check it. It's not that color. Is it this color? So based on that you can give the color, whatever the color which should be suitable. So in this way we can easily draw the structures which must be suitable to the particular research article according to the journal standards. While you are drawing and writing anything in the CHEMDRAW, kindly do not do any kind of changes. Some default settings are there, just follow those settings only. Suppose if you activate this one, 100% zoom, font Arial, font size 10. So please keep these things only. So in this way, we can easily draw the chemical structures. Okay. So in the next video, we will be having the discussion on how to draw the chemical equations. We can say schemes. How can we draw the scheme and mechanism? Okay. Thank you very much.